Hello, today I'm working with Joseph Chinouriri. He's one of the busiest saxophone players at the moment in Zimbabwe. He started playing saxophone in 2011, and from 2011 up to now he has worked with a lot of artists that include Oliver Mutukudzi, Japreza, Luciano from Jamaica on a track that I produced here, Zimpraise, Everton Lalazi, and a host of a lot of artists. So today we're working on a project by a new artist called Noel Dembure. And Noel is a very busy person. He goes to work, so many times such artists give me creative control. Yes, so I'm the one who has to deal with the session musicians and session vocalists. So that's exactly what we're doing today. So the first part of the session is we want to create a melody line, and then we create harmonies behind it, so that we create, just like Nunguta Mafuka a chorus. So in this case it's sort of like the brass section chorus, where we have a melody line and then we have a three-part harmony in Ingeri Paspacho. So that's what we are going to do today. Usually a brass section is got saxophone, trombone and trumpet, but in this case now we are just using the saxophone alone, so he's going to play all the three parts on his own. So every time I work with artists like Joseph Chinouriri, I let them compose the lines, because Joseph is a very good composer. And there are some players who are just good at playing what they've been given. So when I work with such artists, I give them the brass lines. But in this case, when I work with people who can compose like Joseph, I prefer to let them compose, so that there's a diversity of ideas. So in this first clip, he's composing the melody line.
Yeah, nice line, manje. Alright, go. Toba. Again. Order tanga gupta. Okay. So I think only 2 counts. 1, 2, okay. I think. Toba.
So now we're going to take the first take. The first take, do it the first time. I don't know what to
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Turn everything.
Yes.
Yeah, blunders happen a lot, mistakes happen in the studio. So the style of working that I prefer is if someone makes a mistake, we make fun out of it. To knock it out, we just have fun. One, you don't have to criticize one. They are very punitive. So know what I mood. As musicians, we use inspiration more. So for you to have inspiration, you must have a mood of happiness.
Right foot, but wrong place.
So Appa, we finished recording the main melody line, so we now want to harmonize it. Like what they do, Pama voice is good. There's soprano, alto, and tenor.
Nice. Brasserie FFR ma dynamics assim. Pa brasserie pa kick. Exactly.
Appa, we finished recording all the 3 parts. They're the part where we want harmonies. Now we want to record the solo. So in this case, the type of solo that I want is, I don't want a very improvised solo. I want a solo that's sort of like saxophone. Something chinoimbika. So I'm going to give him time to compose the melody.
Wabo.
I think that I have vision. Peter.
Okay. So, sanokutangira panitangira ndini. Kapira ba kafungiza yoma
sebe. Ndo sadafunga. Ndo unadafunga mwangu.
Uzaituda sere tumapa.
Kabeza kana itazo.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so the first time he did the solo, it did not come out well. I know younger boy, but younger son so shika chapo, so he's going to do a second take. At times, an artist can hit it straight, one boom over doro melody, and over doro lines, but at times you need a second take, a third take, a fourth take, a fifth take, or whatever my takes is. But in this case, he got it right on the second take.
Nice and melody. Hey.
Monolio Studio, the harmony of quality and professionalism.